The winners are Vladimir Lenin from Ganga House, Danya Shri from Narmada House, and Ritesh from Narmada House. I request the winners to kindly assemble near the stage immediately.
And the centum scorers of class 10th and 12th for the academic year 2025-26. I request our Honorable Chairman to present the cash awards for our 10th and 12th toppers. In 12th standard, the school first mark has been secured by J. Bhuvneshwari with an impressive score of 590 out of 600. She receives Dr. G. Ganesan Award, rupees 8,000 cash and a shield.
Ready.
Our school's second mark has been secured by D. Hanuska, scoring 588 out of 600. She receives rupees 5,000 for school second and rupees 2,000 for centum in mathematics. On behalf of Hanuska, her parent receives the cash award of rupees 7,000. Our school third mark has been secured by S. Abhinaya, scoring 581 out of 600. She receives the cash award of rupees 3,000. Now, the centum scorers in class 12. S. Varshini, centum in mathematics. On behalf of Varshini, her parent receives the cash award of rupees 2,000. S. Purvaja, she receives rupees 2,000 for centum in computer science. P. Jayashree Anishwarya receives rupees 2,000 for centum in computer science. Now the achievements of our 10th students. We are proud to announce that R. Haripriya has secured the second rank in Virudhunagar district by scoring an outstanding 496 out of 500. She receives rupees 3,000 for district second, rupees 3,000 for educational district first, rupees 5,000 Dr. G. Ganesan Award for school first, and rupees 3,000 for centum in mathematics, science and social science. So totally she receives the cash award of rupees 14,000. Our school's second mark has been scored by K. Vishwarohit, scoring 494 out of 500. He receives rupees 3,000 for school second and rupees 2,000 for centum in mathematics and science. So totally he receives the cash award of rupees 5,000. The third highest mark of 493 out of 500 has been achieved by two of our students, M. Muthu Karthikeyan receives rupees 1,000 for school third and rupees 1,000 for centum in mathematics, making a total cash award of rupees 2,000. K. Praveen receives rupees 1,000 for school third and rupees 1,000 for centum in science, making a total cash award of rupees 2,000. We are happy to announce that 10 of our students have scored a perfect centum in 10th standard science. Now they are going to receive the cash award of rupees 1,000. V. Grace Rifina Radha,
okay. Thank you.
N. Sri Vetrivel,
Okay.
V. Sudan Guru. Now it's time to recognize our top achievers from class 1 to 9 and 11. I invite our respected correspondent ma'am to kindly present the awards to the students from classes 1 to 6. Vedika B of first A. Raghavarshini M of first B.
Ma'am, okay.
Yoga Priyan R of second A.
Ma'am,
Krish
okay.
A of second C. Kashwita R of
Ma'am,
third
okay.
A.
Tambi. I'm okay. Thank you.
Rishiba Sri of third B.
I'm okay. Thank you.
Jenika R of third C.
Babang Maria. Ma'am, okay. Thank you.
Kirtika S of fourth A.
Thank you.
Lokita Sri V of fourth B.
Ma'am, okay. Thank you.
Vibhishnan G of fifth A.
Babang Maria. Ma'am, okay. Thank you.
Adis Darshan A of fifth B.
Tambi. Ma'am, okay. Thank you.
Madhumitran S of fifth C.
Thank you. I'm okay. Thank you.
Sasivarsha K of sixth A.
Thank you.
Uday Sri R of sixth B. Ananya P of sixth C.
I'm okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request our respected advisor, Dr. G. Ganesan, to present the awards to the students from classes 7 to 9 and 11. Pratika K of 7A.
Babang Maria. Ma'am, okay. Sir.
Abhiman S of 7B. Sugirda S of 7C.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Pragavi S of 8A. Guru Pranav B of 8th B.
I'm okay. Thank you. So, okay.
Selva Varsiga S of 8th C.
So, okay.
Nitya Vasandan R of 9th A. Kavisena T of 9B.
Thank you, sir.
Srija S of 9C. Subiksa M of 9D. Siva Subramanian S of 11th standard CS group. Brinda Harinishri G of 11th biology group. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all our brilliant stars. Your hard work has made us proud. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep shining. Thank you, one and all.
Now the sports prizes. Our students actively participate in the state and national level fencing, tennis, squash and archery competitions, bringing pride to our school through their outstanding performances. Now we are going to honor our state and national level achievers with a prestigious shield. May I now request our chief guest to kindly honor our achievers. First, A. Kirtana of Standard 10. She has represented Tamil Nadu in the 69th National Level Archery Championship conducted by the School Games Federation of India, SGFI, which was held in Manipur.
So okay, ma'am, okay. Thank you.
S. Pragavi of 9th Standard has secured 3rd place in the state level squash competition.
So okay, sir. Okay, ready? Papa, बढ़िया. Thank you, sir.
A. Karniha of 9th Standard has secured 3rd place in the state level squash competition.
So okay, ready? Ma'am, okay, ready? Thank you.
S. Shivakarthikeyan of Standard 10 has secured 8th place in the individual medley relay swimming competition held by District Swimming Association and the State Aquatic Association. A. Krish of Standard 3rd has secured 2nd place in the state level open 25-meter freestyle swimming competition organized by Swimming Federation of India.
Sir. Okay, ready? Thank you, sir.
G. Arudra of Standard 6 has secured 8th place in the State Chess Championship organized by Tamil Nadu State Chess Association.
Thank you.
M. Nityajyoti of Standard 9 has won the 1st place in the 7th South Indian Archery Championship 2026. She has also won the 1st place twice in the Open Tamil Nadu United Target Archery Championship. S. Harivarshan of Standard 6 has participated in 10 different styles of Silambam rotation for 2 hours, each lasting for 20 minutes. His participation is considered as a new world record in the Youth Silambam Book of Records and is registered in the Youth Martial Arts and Sports Trust. Congratulations, dear children. Now the overall individual championship. We have received the scores for the overall individual championships for boys and girls. Individual overall championship for 6th and 7th boys category goes to Vladimir Lenin K of Ganga House. Individual overall championship for classes 6th and 7th girls category goes to T. Kishantini of 7th C Narmada House. Ritesh S of 9th A, again Narmada House, has received the overall individual championship in the 7th and 9th category. Individual overall championship in the 8th and 9th girls category goes to Jeffina Joseph, 9th C, Yamuna House. Congratulations, children.
So getting? Papa, okay?
We have now reached the most exciting moment of our sports day, the announcement of overall house championship. The final scores have been verified. Let's begin with the second runner-up, that is the third place, with a score of 239 points, goes to Kaveri House. Congratulations. Come on, children. Give our children a big round of applause. Yes. Kaveri House captain.
So okay. Okay. Ma'am, okay, Eddie? Wait, sir. Okay, Eddie, smile. Thank you.
Next, the first runner-up, that is the second place, with a score of 248 points, goes to Yamuna House. Please give them a big round of applause. Yamuna House captain and vice captain.
Papa, this is the Ma'am, okay. Okay, sir. Okay, Eddie, smile. Wait, sir. Wait. Thank you, sir.
Now, the moment we have all been waiting for is the overall championship of this 23rd sports meet. May I now kindly request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. G.R. Vaishnav, to announce the overall championship.
The overall championship goes to Narmada House with 357 points.
Narmada team, the whole team can come forward. You can go to the stage.
Tambi. Ma'am. Paadi baat kneel down. Kutis minute करेंगे. Tambi 1 kilo करिया. Papa 1 kilo करिया. Tambi. Ma'am मार गया. Ma'am, Papa, यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है.
Come on, once again, let's applaud all the houses for their dedication, teamwork, and their outstanding sporting spirit throughout the competition. Come on, give them a big round of applause.
Papa, light open लिया. Okay, super. So get it. So wait. So get it. Smile. Wait. Papa yang beri Papa. Kamera beri. Okay, ready. Kami yang beri. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations once again to all the prize winners.